Hi there, welcome to our channel and welcome to our Wix Studio series. Today we're going to talk about Wix Studio's product beta. But what is it? Product beta is an exclusive program that lets you test drive brand new website features and design tools before they're released to the general public. Kind of like a sneak peek in simple terms. And if you join, you'll get to experience and test out those new features. And in exchange, you'll report bugs and suggest ideas that could help those features improve. Awesome. So, how can you join? It's actually very easy. Just follow these few and simple steps to join. On your Wix Studio workspace, click the News Center icon on the top right of your page. Then click on Betas. On this pop up window, click the Join Beta Program link. Another pop up will appear. Gain access to all open product betas, try out features in the sites you own, then share your feedback in the forum. Click on Join to confirm. And that's it. By joining, you should be able to access available product betas on your sites and test them out. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to see more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.